Students, today we will study a new chapter, My School. Our teachers teach us many things in school. We learn to read and write. We learn to draw and paint. So, our teachers help us to read and write and help us to draw and paint. We learn good manners and good habits. Yes, our teachers teach us good habits and good manners also. How to eat, how to respect our elders, all comes in the good habits. We learn to play together and share things with our friends. Yes, our teachers teach us how to share the things, how to play together with friends. Students, see, this is the image of classroom. You can see in the classroom we have chart papers at the back. One bulletin board is there. On that bulletin board, few chart papers are there. So many tables and chairs. One table and chair for teacher also. And teacher is standing and teaching. So many students are sitting on the chairs. So this is the image of classroom. What are the things we see and use in the classroom? So we all know what are the things we use in the classroom. So let's see what are those. So first one is table and chair. Next is blackboard, chalk and duster. See students, this is the image of dustbin. We throw waste paper and pencil shavings in the dustbin. We keep our classroom neat and clean. These are the images of bulletin boards. Two bulletin boards you can see in this images. So like this we put in our class decoration on the bulletin boards. Next topic is many people work in a school. In our school many people are there. They have assigned different duties. So let's study who are those people. First is principal. So principal is the head of the school. He runs the school. So next image is teacher. Our teachers teach us many things in school. Next image, librarian. Librarian sit in the library. Next image, bus driver. So bus driver pick up from the house and drop us in the school. Next, gatekeeper. Gatekeeper is always sitting near the gate. He guards our school. Next, gardener. Gardener take care of the garden. He take care of the plants. He plant more trees, more beautiful flowers so that our school look beautiful and greenery. Next, peon. Peon rings the school bell. As well as he take care of the visitor who visit in the school. Students, now open EVS book, page number 30. We will do book exercises. Now see A. Fill in the blanks. Choose words from the box. Here is the box. You have to choose the correct answer from this box. So let's see the first one. We carry dash in our school bag. In our school bag, what we carry? We carry books. Second, we learn to read and dash in school. We learn, read and write. Our teachers teach us how to read and how to write. Next is third, we learn dash habits in school. So what kind of habits we learn in the school? We learn good habits in school. Next, fourth, the teacher keeps her books on the dash. So where the teacher keeps the book? She keeps her books on the table. Now see students, C part, think and answer. This is your homework. Write down HW. What you have to do in this question? Your teacher has asked you to bring crayon colors and a paper. What you do with them? Take the correct picture. These 3 pictures you have to see what you will do with the crayon colors and the sheet. Okay, now come to next sheet, page number 31. Come to next sheet, page number 31. In this activity, D part you have to do. Phil is getting ready for school. See, he is getting ready for school. Number the pictures in the correct order. You have to put them in the correct order. 1, 2, 3 like this you have to put. First one I have done. This is the first one. 1. First he will get up. Okay, so first this is the one. The next you have to do yourself. Now come to a value for me. Come to this one portion, a value for me. Take your answer. You forgot to do your homework. What you will do? We have to choose the correct option. We have 2 options. Let's see what are those. A. Say sorry to your teacher. B. Not tell your teacher. What you will do? If you have not done homework, what you will say, students, to your teacher? You will say sorry to your teacher. Okay, put tick mark over here. Say sorry to your teacher. Kindly do this work in your EVS book.